morning guys, it's another day with Mike, the cool guy on Cool Guy Stuff. And today we're going to do some cutting and welding and patching on our trailer, and then we're going to paint it up. The patch is cut, it's clamped in place. Next, it's time to weld it in.
Think I'd try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. And I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win you right now. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around. No, I won't be turning around. Feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. I think I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through. Get you out of your comfort zone, 'cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only
Hey, mail just arrived. Let's see what's inside. Oh yes. Okay. Check this out, guys. See, I gotta do all this with one hand right now in order to hold the camera, but not for long. This is a flexible camera mount with a clip. So I can clip it onto whatever, the workbench, and then I'll be able to mount the camera right there. Mount the camera on this thing, and then you can see what's going on. Cool. Alright. Yeah. Try it out. There we go. So here, this is the setup. Right, so it's got a little flexible ball right there. This whole thing can bend and flex. It's quite stiff too, which is good because I want it to stay put. And then of course we've got the clip, right? Clip it onto the bench or whatever. Nice. So I'll be able to do all kinds of cool benchtop projects like fixing the RC cars and stuff. and I can have the camera mounted, and I can have both my hands. I can stop trying to do this one-handed deal. Awesome. Alright, I've taken a piece of scrap metal here and I've stuck it in the vise, figuring what I can do is mount that on there like that, and then I get all this extra elevation for when I'm working on stuff. You get a better view. So we're gonna try that out next rainy day or whenever, when I'm gonna be fixing those RC cars. We still gotta do some work on both of those. When the parts come in for that, gotta do the steering, and that one we gotta do the rear end rebuild on it. So stay tuned for those, subscribe so you don't miss it. Taylor's looking great.
Yeah, it's like a brand new.
Yep. It certainly is.
Just a little facelift.
I'm a slave to every vice, taking all the bad advice. Dust sticking all over my shoes. I need to get on the blues. Always a step behind, just like I'm going blind. Ever after on the loose.
Talking about the trailer. Oh, sorry guys.
Hey, you're looking good too.
Oh, thank you.
This trailer's looking top notch, buddy. You're just looking okay. Yeah, extra cool with your sunglasses, man.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of.
A quick spray painting tutorial. So we're using this rust paint, and it is specifically meant to go on top of rusted surfaces. So that's why we're using this on our trailer. And I'm going to show you how to properly spray paint. So you want to shake this up for a good minute or so. Make sure it's well shaken. And then your object that you want to paint, you're going to move your hand constantly and just spurt the paint when you're over top of the item. Okay? So like this. Okay, ready? Alright. And see, that gives a nice even coat, and it's not sagging and running. You don't want to get drips in the paint. And the problem, if you just hold this down, is the paint will layer on top of there, and every time you change directions, you stop for a brief second to change directions, and you'll end up with runs in the paint. So keep moving and just do light spurts. Okay, and you'll end up with a nice, smooth, even finish every time. Okay, that's how you use spray paint, just like that.
So much to say, take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control.
The trailer's all painted up, it's looking good, so we're gonna start building on top of it on a future episode. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. With your man Mike, the cool guy on Cool Guy Stuff. Catch you next time.